$71 hit to $79. Now it's fluctuating on the top end range of $79.13. We will let the first candle form. Why? The pre-market price is one thing. We want actual market price. So most of the time I tell people, let the first 1 or 2, 3 candles form, then you make a decision in trading. And the volume is very nice, my friend. So let's say you want to trade Nike shares, I want to put 10,000 shares inside, it's nothing. I want to put 50,000 shares, 50,000 shares also nothing. You know why? Currently now, in less than 2 minutes, Nike is trading 1.2 million shares already. So market liquid lah. In 1.2 million shares in less than 5 minutes, your 10,000 shares is nothing. Okay? How about the other one? Just now the Superman hero one. This one is weird. I will bet to go down.
What is it? GEIP?
It's a pharmaceutical company. They want to go crazy one. Look, hey, this is what I call Superman candle lah. Tony, look. One bar, pop! New weapon. break a 9-month high. Okay, it's bearish now. Channel bearish. It's channel bearish, okay? That's it bottom. Something happened, most probably FDA, Federal Drug Authority to letter and suddenly become Superman. Okay, next we have.
By Netflix, reversing, going back down. I'll be hopefully. See.
Okay, let's go and look at Nike now.
What's my Netflix?
Okay, stand by. We're going to trade Nike. Okay, let's see what we have for Nike for now. Let's see. We're doing bullish and bearish on Nike.
I didn't put an order for Nike.
No, don't bother. Nike got 2 things. And the money call is 80.79 cents. And the money put is 91 cents. Leave it for 5 more minutes. Then from there we get a few. So you can do 2 contracts day trading. Hello, 2 contracts is about less than $200. Or you want to do swing trade? If you do swing, you do next 6th of July.
Wait, no.
6th of July here.
The thing what you call what lazy river, what I'm going to see how far high it will go. Now we know.
Depends. What we know you can make new high.
You're not fit to get, but fit to get will be very cheap.
No, we're not. You see, look carefully bar here. This bar here is power. Power. How many dollars? Not very much. $1 is 70 cents. $1.70 for $70 company. In a single 5-minute bar, move 5%, move average 4%. Is it power? Power. So this candle is what we call ultra bar. It's what we call the indicator benchmark bar. For me to enter long or short will be based on this bar.
After it's done.
After it's done, because now the bulls are the best right now, right? Can I enter now? 1 minute? Can, but I'm not teaching it. I'm not teaching this method. After I enter what we call intra-minute trades. 1 minute candle, enter in between for big price movement. But this one not very hard to teach. So I stopped doing such trade because why I can make money doesn't mean the rest of you can understand. Then if some of you blindly, stupid dumb go and follow me blindly, then good luck to the person. So now the bulls are the best, find it out. I don't know who win, I don't care. Correct? So now inside bar, so now we're waiting what? Either the best drop below $78.20, we will enter a nice short position. With the objective to retrace back to 72. Means that enter at $78, target retracement profit go down to 72. Why? Because the gap has failed. Okay, so maybe you go down halfway, go by $4 Okay no? $4 is quite respectable. It's going to be very respectable for this trade. Of course, you will make a new high. Our friend may want to do another trade. Any more candidates I look at? Bad news. This one failed. You know why fail now? The candle bar is 80 over cents here. Next bar here is how much? Okay lah, still valid lah. The candle may look stop, gentlemen. Thomas, the candle bar look very small, so no strength. Stop it. This candle bar is 83 cents. So 83 cents for a $10 company. Good bar or weak bar? A $10 company in one bar move 83 cents. The bar strong bar or weak bar?
Strong bar.
Strong bar. So don't see the candles. The candles can be big, can be small, but more important, what is the value of the bar? So here like that, you see look very small, correct? This bar 80, this one is bar 83 cents. This bar is 54 cents. For $10-11 company, it's quite solid. Okay, let's go back to our chart pattern. Let's go to our radar speed. Can you see how many videos are? You can see all the videos here. These are all the short recording here, Tony. You see all the video recording here? This is the month of June 2018.
Only 1 month.
June, no?
This is my trick for trading as though I got multiple monitors when I only have one laptop. Check. Each one is set for different things. If you're using TOS, I don't know about other ones, but I have different windows on different stock.
Okay.
It's a different trading also.
Keith, take a look at ABBV.
Off.
Today dropped 10%. It's a $90 company. So, okay? Look carefully. Intel, how? Intel dropped 11%. Intel also dropped 11%. $49 company. You see? What time now? Now is 9:37.
I don't like ABB, the movement very small.
Hello, I don't care. This is short list process. Another one, Intel now. Intel is $49 now, dropped 11% now. So drop by $5. Respectable lah. Okay, now 11% is quite solid lah. My rule of trading I share to you minimum 2% move or $1, whichever is bigger. Minimum.
Not enough for me, I'm playing the rest.
And fine, you don't trade.
Oh, win. Okay, in money, win.
Then another company called VLAO, $109 company, dropped by another 10%.
$10.
So, Thomas, how many hours do market research? Here, just flip here, 5 minutes only, 3 minutes only. How many can it? 10% movers not small move 10% and not a $5 company Okay? Next one here. Okay, sign here, let me go and find another one here. Let's go and find one here. RETM, right now it's a big company. 9% drop. $192 company now. Drop 9%. Can trade now, can trade. So this type of trading is maybe good for day trading with stock market. Can make good money. But bad news. Your side Tony, your side CFDs got US market one.
Nice. What?
Your side CFDs got US market shares.
CFD?
Contract for difference.
Got US, your broker got offer US market shares for CFD trading.
Trade the US.
You ask around all the gaming Maybank, wherever is CFDs for US market.
So I should.
If we got, then we can talk about how to. Hey look, 10% with CFDs we can afford to trade we can afford to trade. And this company are not small company Hey, Boeing back up, Boeing dropped another 6% again. Okay, then Lockheed Martin also dropped like 8%. Wow.
BKNG bounce up, drop down. Dropping back down, I can fade the gap.
This one is a key. His company is like his girlfriend like that. It's very similar to that group.
BKNG, it's a replace order.
So easy to find day trading But this one bad news I don't think can short
BKNG cancel order.
Should I short this trade
Next candle. This one never.
Yeah, I know.
Wait.
Just thinking boy only I never say I do now. Don't bother.
I need to see previously. This this one pre-market workout. I need to see previous day.
Cannot lah. This one people say it's $5 level lah.
Go. Zoom in one more step. One more step, zoom in.
Higher time frame is it? This is 5 days
No, zoom in. Okay, girl. No,
Even short at $10 and
no,
below.
it's still at the level. Wait for it to drop.
No, short at $10 and below lah.
Tio.
And each candle don't laugh too much. This candle is $1 and 12 cents. Can trade lah.
So if the current candle, if it close with the
No, if you drop below $10,
yeah.
we may want to consider to do a short retracement, or you call fit the gap. What's the gap? The gap is yesterday closing price
Yes.
and today opening price. So you drop below, you fit a gap, which is got a lot of potential. But one thing bad, I tell you point blank, this company without testing it, I will know it's hard to short. Why? Company too cheap. Once a company is too cheap and too volatile, the hard to short. Hard to borrow shares. If you tell me easier to short Google, Amazon than short this, okay? Provided all the money Nike Nike go nowhere. Okay? For me to go Nike must go above at least $80. We were hoping for retracement trade, but it's not happening. Let's wait up. Just now the one we show you what trade. Amazon is it?
Yeah.
Wait, don't mind. Later on we will do a income trade for you based on real-time market scenarios. Given the fact, normally for this type of environment we will look at about half an hour after the market open. For first half an hour, we focus on this type of trading opportunities, shares or options. In some cases, we can do futures.
Yes.
For trade futures, really what? Euro futures gold futures oil futures and things like that. Alright? But that will depend on account size. If your account size is sub $5,000, if your account is sub $10,000 is the account size, sub 5 times top 10 then you may want to do, you cannot do day trading. Then you trade on futures, you can trade options for day trading. But like what you said, his quota now is stopped.
So for how much that I can do the day trading?
You can do only 3-day trades in a 5-day
cycle.
So right now I can do 3 trades per day. But I'm trying to stop it. This is what I'm trying to do.
No, but you said 2,500.
Sure.
How much for the account? That you said if it lower than that number.
No, the account size only determines how big the trade you can do.
No, but today you said something like
$25,000.
$35,000.
$25,000. That is what called day trade you can do.
Yes.
This one apply to all US broker trading accounts. Means it's licensed under
It's a lot.
It's
a lot. Okay, I
so,
understand.
but for if you trade CFDs, no, they don't count. CFDs is private, so the order flow do not go to London, do not go to New York Stock Exchange or Chicago. So it's not counted under.
So you can find a bank account that has a CFD. It's going to be better.
Is depends what type of trader are you, how much money you can put. Let's be honest, if let's say you want to trade Nike CFD now, problem with CFD is private. Secondly, the bigger problem is CFDs do not offer the comprehensive range of a proper real broker. But fair enough. So you may want to look at Kiming Maybank.
Yeah, we have Maybank in Thailand.
Okay. If you got problem, talk to me. I reach out to my contacts in Singapore. In fact, I got broker contact. Everyone broker.
You want to look at Netflix?
What happened again?
Just look at Netflix.
Okay, wheat futures. Wheat futures have a pop-up. Wheat futures have an ultra bar breakout there. It's a nice bar here. No, stop. Let's look at Netflix. Let's look at shares first. If not, it's not fair to him because I can run over.
You can see, but it's not that interesting to me yet because it's a bit too late already.
Next week for what?
Then the other one is BKNG.
Next week something much next week.
Huh? Nothing much.
Yeah.
Okay lah, my noise thing I think it can go down enough to the previous day one. Then I can check the small gap. Between the 90.
What's the price action value we put in?
98 to 96 is already.
No. What's the price action value?
Daily
Yeah.
Enough one daily. Netflix.
If you want to trade this one, trade as a directional spread.
Yeah. already in, but if you want to get in also, I'm already in already.
Then no.
So if you want to get in,
It's a bear. Ah.
yeah. I'm already in for push right now. But right now BKNG is starting to look a bit bare already.
BKNG, we're looking bad. BKNG just pop up over here, look, hit the bottom, bullish bar, bounce back.
No, I'm trading inside. You're looking at day
I
candle.
know, I'm talking about general, but when you say bear, you must say I'm trading the market noise.
I'm
Not say
trading a teddy bear, very small bear. Because I know the fella can go another $15 down.
Yeah, not surprising. Hello, it's a $2,000 company leh.
Yeah, but if it can move another $15 down today, yeah, wait for the upswing. Then
Yeah, one thing cool is that your base anything is retracing downwards, which is good for you after you have bearish positions.
yeah, now the thing is offering me at 90 cents for 250 spread.
You're buying, you're open or not open yet?
Not open yet. They're offering 90, I put at 50. Now 85. If I backside EG, I can go in now, but I think it can go cheaper. Because it can swing up, or it swing up first.
Hey, Nike is a bullish
Swing up.
trade.
I let it swing
I
up.
don't like it. You know why I don't like it? Not much strength. No, this bar. This bar is about, not much, is much. This bar only about less than, this bar only about 40 cents bar only. So compare, all things be equal, it look big to you. This bar how much? This bar is only about 80 cents bar only. So it look nice, but 80 cents bar to me, borderline case. Okay? Because we are doing day trading. We don't want to have normal big candles, we want to have extra big candles, strong candles.
So for the stock like Nike, like almost $80, what should be the strong candle? I mean, how many?
You will know the strong candle when you see it.
Yeah, okay, let's see.
Okay, Nike, well, I'm not going to play already. Bye bye, I'm getting out.
So how about Nike? If it say $2 in one candle,
Normally at least a dollar plus each candles.
dollar plus.
My rule of trading 2%.
BKNG
$1.
65 cents already.
Are you taking a bet at 65 cents because the market is going the wrong direction?
Swing. Wait,
Talking about day swing or intra-week swing?
day. It's swinging up, then go back down already.
Okay, you go do it. So 65 cents, go ahead, do it.
Too late, 75 cents already.
I haven't had to do it. Okay, you understand? We try to aim money. If we cannot make money on a dollar move, then it's going to be very hard. So if the candles maybe 20 cents, 30 cents candles, then it's going to be very hard to make money. Then if we enter a 20 cents candle, that means in order to make money, in order to have a decent profit, you must what? Hold much longer. And now currently we are talking about day trading.
I shift my price to 75 cents. Now it's hovering at 80.
So if I still got the question. So for the Nike, you said if it like the candlestick is $1, you said that's kind of super bar, right?
Yes, unfortunately not
But-
super bar, big bars.
A big bar.
The super bar is actually from yesterday market price of $71. Opening price of 78 plus.
But how about for the Booking.com, which the price is like 2,000? So that one bar should be like 20.
Depends, my friend. Booking.com, correct.
Yeah,
This is
2,000 something.
First and foremost, let's go down to 1 year chart patterns.
Mm-hmm.
We need to see now our friend here is doing what called day trading with candles. Okay, see here now. The average number price one day is about $40. So ask yourself, $3 bar, is it big? No.
No.
So maybe for this kind of thing, maybe $8, $10. Okay lah. Opening bell pull 25% of price action value per day. Respectable lah. Got follow through momentum lah.
Makes sense.
Okay? So it's not the candles that make the day. Sometimes the candle grabbing after you check, I say, so please can I check what's the value again? No, and then I say check the value. Then discover the big candle is only 50 cents only. So it may be the biggest candle on them screen, but 50 cents candle is not going to give us the hook to do it. You got BK and your booking in really bad.
Not yet. I'm waiting at 80 cents. The fella, I'm trying to catch the upswing.
Actually, the US market is drifting downwards. Okay, I showed you, come? Drifting downwards. You can see here this candle, if you ignore this candle here, the last candle over today, is actually drifting downwards. Okay?
Zero, 030, then I shift it.
Your site here got any office premises available or not? Free office premises available? Tony?
Who's that? I'm
Your
sorry.
site got free seminar rooms you can borrow, or we must go and rent seminar rooms?
We have both, but I think we're gonna rent it. We're gonna rent it. But I can do for 30 people
Rental or free?
rental. But the price is not that high. So for the whole day, just 5,000 baht.
For me, we just at night. At night session. I do before around there.
Or the night session. You want to do the night session?
Let me ask which one better. You want me to do a 1 day theory, or you want to spend
Night market.
2 hours of this session with your people? You know the power now.
You start in the evening, like maybe about 6 PM or something.
6:30 lah.
Then they more or less understand what we are going to say, what we're going to do already. Then
we follow with them, no?
if you if your jaw don't hit the ground by about 10
No, but depends expectation. Some people say, I want 2 clicks make $10,000. I heard
what
one.
we do on Friday, no?
No, I don't do that.
Very evil.
It's very evil. Not very evil. You are pushing it because I was told by my students, Thomas, wow, you're trading like day trading like do ballet dancing in out so far. By the time I blink my eyes you take money and make $5,000, $10,000 already. I think okay. Which I'm using. I have nowadays I toned down myself a lot. It's not because I don't want to share, but sharing is one thing lah. Okay. You can see from here now. Okay, let's go down to 1 day pattern now.
Wait. It's still got another question.
Yes.
When you stop?
Huh?
If we like for example the last chart we do the GE or something. What's the name?
GE.
Is that GE?
What about GE?
GC. I think.
GC.
The top one.
Go.
Oh no, the GEMP. Sorry. GEMP.
Yeah.
Yeah, for this one you said if it's closed below 10, you're gonna start to put, right? Gonna start to short.
We're not with this one can have no options available, to be honest. If the options available it's gonna be very expensive. I find that I don't trust it. So if one short I will short multiple shares. But unfortunately, I can tell you without trying it these shares is hard to grow.
Yes, I know. No, just put that issue aside. Just say it's just a plain chart.
Okay?
So the plan right now is like if it's closed below 10, we start to short it, right?
You drop below 10.
We short it below
Because
10.
why there's a potential what you call this become what you call you see
Yes, to fit the gap. I understand that idea. But my question is, if after we place the order to short it, but it bounce up back.
Okay, fair
So when is your
stop loss.
yeah when
Stop
you
loss
do the
can
stop
be
loss?
can be 5 different ways of doing stop loss.
Yes.
5 First one is based on candlesticks. The price here. Suddenly price here is it okay? Suddenly after you shorten it then you say wow 5 candles are going sideways. Good or bad?
The bridge, kind of the bridge.
Sideways okay, what you call range
Yeah, sometimes we call the range, sometimes we call the bridge. Yes.
Okay, fine, good. I call a range okay? Then you say go ahead and trade I say don't mind cut loss cut loss or take small profit Or suddenly, wow, after trading suddenly after you short it, wow, suddenly reverse 1 candle, $2 candle.
Yeah.
Wow, you run really correct? That means your initial assessment is wrong. Okay? Thirdly, early is what I do is to put a trading take profit number, trading take profit, trading stop loss trade. I only do this trade. I only put a trading stop loss order. Trading take profit number order only if I'm making money. Let's say now it's already dropped to $9, $8, and I said, oh, I'm tired waiting already. First thing I do before I go, I put a trading take profit number. I recalculated it can be 80 cents, 90 cents, or 120. Then put a calculator. Is it worth doing or not? If not worth doing, I take early profit. I take profit and close and go. Either that, if not, I put a trading stop loss number and then run. Secondly, there's another what we call time stop loss, because this is a 5-minute trade, correct?
Yes.
So if after 1 hour, it's go bullish, bearish, and you're making small money, then after 1 hour, is the trend, the momentum is not there anymore. What you do? Stop. Even the thing can go like that, you take out because after 1 hour, it's supposed to make new low.
No waste of time. Agree.
Either that we go multiple channels, maybe multiple service channels. Either that we go, the thing flip against you about $2. One bullish bar engulf 3 of your bear bars. You know that something is not right already. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So I think enough already. I can go on, but there are too many variations. So we can get out by time. We can get out by dollar value. We can get out by normal movements. We can get out because the trade not going anywhere. And I don't get out because why? Okay, enough already. Time to take profit. Because why? I don't want to hold the trade over the end. Okay? This one sad to say is slowly drifting downwards. We know the last few bars is averaging about 37 cents, 40 cents bar. So if suddenly if thing flip against you by $1, it's flip against means the suddenly got one bullish bar of $1. Don't say $2 $1 or 90 cents I have to run already.
I think I missed it.
Okay?
I think I missed it. I put 80 cents, cannot. Now what?
Who asked you to be so greedy? Spread hard to fit one. Go higher put $1 and let it clear for once if you are confident in the market direction.
I see what the market want, then I will try to.
I know, but it's wasting time and effort doing it.
I'm trying to break the 162%.
Yeah.
If I get it at 80 cents, confirm break.
This is what I call challenges. Yeah, what I call, you're not doing high probability
It's
trading.
not about the making the money, it's trying to become better and sharper.
Agree.
And unfortunately, by doing
Focus
this,
on the process.
you're pushing your limit up and probably a success drop.
No, to me, it's the same. It's the thing, as in the situation is actually the same. It's just that I didn't get in the price because I offer too little. I offer 80 cents. If I offer 90 cents, like the other time, I probably would have got in already.
Most probably, or may not, right? We don't know because it's subjective to market.
It's in the same processes here.
Hey, next week is bear.
No, my bear is good for me. I think I'm ready. Inside already.
You see lah?
My Netflix, my AVGO, my Amazon are all bear. So right now it's
Okay, let me go and do the next week for you.
I just wait.
Okay, I show it to you, son. Like here, the next week
Right now
MFLT. MFLT have just now earlier today. FXX, FFX have what we call do a small gap up. This is what we call, why is a small gap up? Is because the value is the value is very small. Yeah. Now after that shoot up, now the trading backwards. So this is what I call fit the gap trade. This type of trading normally I don't do because why? It's a valid fit the gap trade. But why I don't do it? Because why? The gap is too small. There is not enough meat.
Not worth it.
Yeah, not worth it. So this gap how long? It covers a lot of money there. This gap wow, it's about $5, $7, $8 there. Yeah, $7, $8 for Intel, yes but not for $296 company. You understand me? $7 for 296 right, is about 2%. 2% is not enough for my risk effect. So so now he's happy to do the trade because why he already in the trade. He's hoping this guy will drop down to 290, 390 or 398 level, then he makes money.
for the big red, that candle.
This one.
Is
Not
the
enough
big
money.
one not big enough?
Hello.
I mean, you just stop at the gap. Why don't you just how
Stop.
can you don't
The
think it can
candle
go
is
lower?
not big enough. This, look carefully. This is yesterday normal candle leh. This is what big, this one is big. So your candle to be a big candle must shout the whole world. Look at chart pattern it's the biggest pattern chart pattern. Is it bigger than the chart pattern? No. Yesterday opening bell is 3-4 times the size here. See lah? 10 o'clock leh, 9:40, 3-4 times the size bell here leh. You see lah? To me after if you look for the last, but this is 10 minutes candles If you look for the last several days if you look at the last 5-6 days is it big candle No It's not like GEM one look, wow, 6 months also.
That is a big candle. That one.
That fall down.
This one is a big candle.
The jump down.
So if you had catch this one and follow, then you would have ended up somewhere there already.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this candle is not yet. I'm trading in the noise. I'm trading in the.
No, the word is
No,
scalping.
the ripple.
No, he's scalping within the day price action value. Better word, it's not. Okay.
So it's not different game. Very different game.
So your skill set is much more adventurous, more thing. And look at now, $1.30. Yeah, but only 2.33%, which is normal. It's about normality. Why to me simple? Everyday price action value for this our good friend here on average for the last based on yesterday close averaging of $15-16 a day. So anything that $2-3 is nothing. It's considered normal. Tony saying it's considered normal. What's abnormal? First bar $8. That is means in 5 minutes, 10 minutes move half a day movement. That is solid. $2-3 to me is just market noise. Okay, next, okay, next let's go find some opportunity to show it to you how to make 0-cent trades. Amazon or what?
Yeah, based on it.
Okay, I'm just gonna park it there at 80 cents. Should I put it 85?
Hello, you don't do that. You're not just a fiber. You're not hooked there, you know.
I don't go in I go in when I'm happy If I put 85, I probably got a higher chance to go in. Slightly higher.
Okay, let me just this afternoon I showed to you Amazon and a few other things trading buy option for what 0 cents Okay, so let's do a nice price Not 0 lah. Okay, there's a trade here. You see here, Tony, take a look here. It stopped already. Yeah, it fluctuates. You can see 5 cents, 10 cents, 12 cents, 25 cents, 25 cents. This show what this one alive. Okay, so most of the time, let's say now let's lock in at 15 cents. So wait, let's lock lock 15 cents. Just now you saw minus something, correct?
Right.
Minus credit, you buy something for credit. Very hard to feel. In today's market, I have not done it recently. So donkey years ago, I've done it before, but now the system refused to let you buy something for credit. Okay, it's not here. Come on, $15 is expensive, Stop. $15, look carefully, What's my maximum profit?
985.
Okay, how many days was it? Wait, $985,
Yeah. And how many days?
140 days.
140 days.
Okay lah.
Uh-huh.
It's as good as 0 cents. To be honest, you win, you can win $900. You okay lah? We're not greedy lah. We make $1, we run already. 3 cents, we run already lah.
Are you sure he's ready for this or not? This
No.
after he was still worried about long call and long put.
No, let me relax a bit. I just show you the potential.
Okay.
Okay. This is why I say it's live market now. How I know live? Because it's moving.
It took me 1 month of the other stuff before I started learning this stuff.
okay, you don't have actual trading experience. This guy is 老教 leh. He's the leader of the pack of 10,000 traders eh.
But I will need to go back to do a lot of practice. So
Nah,
I have only 2 days to get these all information.
no need.
I need to bring
Your
it back.
job is
Back.
not to master any. Your job is to open your eyes, open your brain. You sum up. Now you understand options. Now you understand what is really trading about. So in the past you do what called system trading. Follow the system. Which is nothing wrong with system. But the market change and you are not a good trader, you cannot change the market. You will die. And stupid enough, if you keep on knocking, this one last year make a lot of money, this year must continue make money, and keep on knocking the head, or worse, instead of doing proper position sizing, do show hand, means that like a casino like that. Okay, let's do a earnings. Let's do a. Hey, where's Amazon earnings? Any earnings for next week lah? I hate it there. I think I prefer pay money for them. That's the best thing.
Funny, won't find.
Now let's do a normal income trade. Let's do a high probability trade of 75% winning.
Don't need much skill. Very mechanical trading.
Yeah, this is a farming trade. Don't need think too much. Decided where to what to plant and how to plant enough. You don't think too much. You don't need like him like that.
Follow the system.
More farming trade is much more rule based than anything else.
So my mother can do it.
Sorry, my younger student is Sec 3, secondary school student attend my thing. Okay, that was donkey several years back, and now I become a fund manager. Want to be fund manager.
Good dream.
He time I come in is only secondary 2 at 13 years. Secondary 2 is what, 14 years old, 15 years old boy. Okay, we take 1665. 1665. Then the short part, but when short 1665, we must buy hedging date, correct? Buy 1666, 166, 1665. Yeah, sorry, 1665, 1665, 25. Something is not right. Hey, something is not right. I know why already. I wonder why I know right. The price is too high, so it's definitely not right. 1665. Okay, here. Okay, this is the 250 spreads, Tony. 250 spreads. Now we're doing 14 days to expiry. Okay. Credit collector is 127. Price is 123. Loose, 123. Commercial is $5. Buy power effect that. So this one is is what you call a 7 days. Expire when? Expire 13th of July. This trade is about 14 days away.
14 days.
It's a farming trade. Okay? So these are trade here I do. This one is rule based, mechanical based, is good for starters. The directional based one, directional basing need more judgment skills. This one is just simply plant. Okay? So $250 can do lah, can do. Now it's 125 now. You see from here it's 125. Win lose is 125. Okay lah, okay lor. The job is to plan as many trades as possible. You definitely have losing trades run now. It doesn't mean you got 75% chance of winning. That means you win 75 trades before you start losing. Not true. For all we know, you can start losing. The 25% losing trades start from day one.
Okay, I don't have a good feeling for this BKNG.
Then get out. No, not the cool feeling.
No, because I'm simultaneously comparing SPX, Amazon, Netflix, AVGO and BKNG. BKNG is going sideways when SPX is going up and Amazon is going down.
No, this is nothing wrong. This is actually reflecting of independent. This is what real markets supposed to do. Independent movements. Not all go together. Not all tech stock go together. That is not independent movement.
Yeah, but given that kind of pressure and the fellow is not going down, if anything
What
happens,
pressure is normal market?
the fellow may
Thomas, are you sure it's not normal market? Let's look at E-minis. E-minis now S&P 500 it's actually bullish night.
I buy 30 go to 35 lor. I buy 30 go to 35 lor. Where is it? So
He's trying to bridge immediate high. The immediate high is about 2750 level. So 14 more points to go.
call side. Now it's 27 go up.
Okay, any questions?
Buy local
Enough learning for tonight?
105.
My brain almost dead.
No, you have data overload. So you think back, I meet you for lunch tomorrow. Same place here. Around 12:30, okay?
Yes. So you want me to meet you here first? Or
Yeah, meet here.
okay. 12:30?
Yeah. I record myself over my special video because I also don't know.
No, his topic will be the day.
I better delete. It's sent to all my groups. Passive income group. This group is how to put nicely, it's very old.
Okay, I missed it.
You give for how long for a night that you trade? Like 2 hours, 3 hours, or what
Don't
time?
ask.
He's addicted. Okay, wait.
I'm doing a very compressed learning. Very, very compressed.
Same.
So I literally follow the market until about 4 AM. But given that, because I've been doing it consistently, so the confidence gets higher and higher. To the point where it's the logarithmic term, and today, oh, yeah. Okay, bye.
Why your two boys that girls looking for you?
No, then tomorrow don't need to go and see them already.
Monkey calling.
Okay, next week no earnings trade. Why? Next week holiday. I check already. Can see my calendar here. This is the earnings calendar here. 3rd of July, nothing. Got one. Actually, AYIE. Interesting. Let's do AYIE before we go further. Hey, check for me. AYIE can do earnings trade.
Yeah. AYI.
AYI. I think we do trade before this one. Can do earnings trade.
Pretty brands. Yeah, waiting for data. Walao eh, 20th of July. They are monthly, July, August, they are monthly options
Then forget it.
And their price movement so far today is 10 call to 10 call.
There is no trade. Okay. So we have the list here. This one is quite easy. Free one is belong to Nasdaq. Everything we have one. I spend so long in trading time, so I refine myself until I can't refine anymore. You see last time this is Princess Paragon Hotel. EB something this place.
Oh, that's in Thailand.
Of course, I teach in Thailand. Not recently, 1-2 years. My last class was with this guy, 2 guys. I do a live market selling session. If your people trade forex, I also teach forex, no problem. To me, it's simple. Anything got price, anything got time, anything got the movement and patterns, I can teach you how to trade.
Think got people play on.
Yeah. Make sure got market liquidity. If the one like the AYE cannot move on, then don't bother.
We are trading psychology, people's psychology.
In fact, a lot of trading skills I do is actually based on human psychology based. The price of underlying is dictating. And not only that, this fur ball thing also eliminate the humming effect, the background effect. Sometimes you notice our video recording got humming effect. Especially my one over the side.
Because the
No, because of the aircon and things. The best one is this one. This one because it's pick up. It's not a very sensitive one, so you pick up the loud voice. My loud voice.
I think I just give you $1 what the hell.
Hey please you keep on cheating the price here. Nothing you do in life. He is spending too much time looking at the market.
I know it's going there, but they won't give me the price, so I'm very fed up.
Of course because you're trading a spread. A straight call straight put is better for you, my friend. You're free tomorrow just for lunch tomorrow?
Tomorrow free
Don't need become godfather already.
Got 2 monkeys to take care.
Oh, but they okay.
The two will Then the girl, when she see me, will start telling me her whole day's adventure. What she do, who bully her, or what did she get, what is she wearing. In broken English.
Tony, think on how can I help your community become better traders?
Sweet, 80 cents.
Coffee already?
No, waiting.
Chasing the market here. But one thing good chasing market will improve your learning and cycle expertise
Engagement skill. Yes, all this is like martial arts sparring. I went to learn different martial arts, I went to learn under different people. But why I'm better than the other students probably because I have a lot of hands-on practical.
And that's why a lot of people talk training system, talk this type of rubbish.
No use.
Excuse
Everything
me.
is all hands-on. You cannot. Nothing survives the theory unless it survives the street.
If you like me like that, every trade I call is a reference point to price the movement. Oh, theoretically go to hell. Theory don't give a fuck.
Fail, you asshole.
Got feel already
No.
Count down feel 80 cents is on the premium, is on cheap side.
It's right at the edge already. Right at the edge. If I can feel this one, I can test my 200% profit.
So you want to break his 12% profit.
Yeah. But that's the whole game. It's like you go to the gym to do weights, you don't go for light weights. You do light weights to tone, you do light weights for cardio, but you do anything for power.
Incorporate into your training in your economy. I mean at 1 o'clock tomorrow no hurry tonight you will be under 3, 4 o'clock.
No.
Nothing better to do. I think get addicted to the market. In fact all my staff one or another, last time Joanna, my student told me, Thomas, your staff spend, your office manager spend more time looking at chart patterns than doing work. Oh no. Why like that
Okay. So you see, this is my profit position. If it ends below this red mark, I'll profit. The market, pre-market, whatever, the market is here. So
Yes.
either way I'm safer than yesterday. So long as the fella doesn't suddenly go back up there, okay, or go back above this, then I'm okay. So right now the fella is hovering at 80 cents and refuses to give me.
Hey
But-
bro, sorry somebody come out again with don't know behind again. I do that. Later I send you a soft copy. You want to have the sort of iron condor, the breakdown price and things, right?
I think tonight I'm going to study myself more about the iron condor idea. I'm not quite understand that exactly, but I got the ideas now.
When the thing about the iron condor is you buy one, you sell one, you sell one, you buy
I
one.
understand how we get and I understand the payoff curve, the payoff idea. But
But once you understand what is a spread, yeah, So you understand spread, an iron condor is spread on both sides. Correct or not? But the market can only go one direction.
Yes.
So if you are selling
So
the
we-
iron condor,
So we prepare for whatever happen.
you see, if you sell an iron condor with the expectation that the market stays within these two, you're collecting money from both sides, correct?
Correct.
If the market does go beyond one of them, and the market can only go one direction, correct? You use what you sold for here to pay for the loss of here.
Yeah.
So your losses are limited.
Yes, I understand.
So that's the iron condor. Whether if you are buying the iron condor, that's a different story.